If you ever wondered how nice an HDB flat can look like, here's your answer. In today's video, I'm going to take you through the HDB MyNiceHome gallery at Toa Payoh and tour all the show flats that they have from 4-room, 5-room, 3-room, and 2-room Flexi. To go there, take the lift to the 3rd story and you will arrive at this MyNiceHome gallery where you can see the different flat options. By the way, it's free of charge. Okay, let's start with the 4-room show flat first. I believe this is what most families apply for. And right off the bat, this particular flat looks like an IKEA showroom. I mean, the carpet, coffee table, and the TV console looks very familiar. This unit has an open concept, so from the living room, you can go straight to the dining room and kitchen where they hacked the kitchen wall. And I like that the cabinetry is up to the ceiling so you maximize the space. And at the back, they have a service yard for laundry and also to hang your clothes. Back to the kitchen, there's the bomb shelter. And yet another cabinet, maximizing every nook and corner of the flat. I'm not really a fan for pink and green, but these colors really do look warm. Okay, now let's go to the first common bedroom. They decor it to look like a study room, but it is still big enough to be a proper bedroom. It looks very comfortable, and again, another floor-to-ceiling cabinet to maximize the space. Okay, let's head into the next bedroom. This one assuming that you have 2 boys. Not only the trunk bed, they also fit 2 study tables. The pull-out bed can create more space during the day, which I'm sure the kids will appreciate. You also still have some space for wardrobes at the corner. Nice, I like it. Next, let's go to the master bedroom. This looks spacious because it's facing an empty lot, but imagine if it's facing a wall. They are consistent with the pink-green theme and the bed does look comfortable. You can still fit a queen-size bed with 2 bedside tables and a big wardrobe at the other end. Here's the master bathroom, and the newer HDB usually already conceal the pipes for you, so it looks more modern. And here's the common bathroom. Also looks modern but just a bit smaller. The shower looks like a bit too close to the toilet though. Next, let's take a look at the 5-room show flat. So 5-room is the biggest show flat here. The size is around 110 square meters, and wow, it looks very luxurious with the marble and gold theme. I don't see any IKEA products here. It looks like a condo and it feels way more spacious than a 4-room. I think they intentionally make it look very posh to show that although HDB is a public housing, but you can make it look very nice inside. It's just a matter of whether you are willing to renovate and decor it properly. This one also has an open concept kitchen with a fancy chandelier and a modern kitchen. At the end, they also have the service yard for laundry. If we look from a different angle, this kitchen even have double ovens. By the way, the interior design of these show flats get updated from time to time. Like last year, this flat doesn't look like this. So when you visit this gallery, you might see something different. Okay, next, if you think this is the master bedroom, you are wrong. This is just one of the common bedrooms, but as you can see, it can fit a queen-size bed, side tables, and also 2-door sliding wardrobe at the corner. This is the common bathroom, which looks modern and bright. And next door, we have the master bedroom in a consistent luxurious theme. I don't know about you, but this looks a bit claustrophobic for me. Maybe because there's too much wood on the wall. The funny thing is that they put double side tables like this at the end. There's a makeup table there, which I guess you can use to work as well. But yeah, it's a bit tight trying to maneuver in this room. And we have a master bathroom at the other end. Again, it looks simple, modern, and very polished. Next is the common bedroom. This one, they styled it to look like kids' room where they have these bunk beds. And that orange table is a foldable table. So if you don't need it, you can just fold it and flush it to the wall to give more space. Okay, next we have 2-room Flexi, but this one is the 36 square meter version. They have a bigger 2-room Flexi, which we'll also be covering later in this video. My first impression of this flat is, wow, this looks comfortable. If I'm single or if it's just me and my husband, the setup is just perfect. So they put the study table in the living room, which looks very functional, and there's a sliding partition separating between the living room and the bedroom. Oh yeah, this is definitely IKEA furnitures, but I really like this. It's modern, warm, and comfy. Notice how they put a floating rack as a bedside table. Still got space for a two-door sliding wardrobe as well. From the bedroom, you can easily see the living room again. The bomb shelter is on the left and you can use it as a storage. Then straight to the kitchen. It's simple, not so big, but you know it's functional. You can still fit a fridge at the corner, and at the other corner you have the washing machine, hanging laundry rack, and also a breakfast nook. I think as long as you don't hoard stuff, this setup is just nice for singles or couples. But if it's for a big family, I mean, there's definitely not enough privacy. By the way, the bathroom is just on the side. Again, simple, modern, clean lines. This looks good to me. Okay, next we have the other two-room flexi, but this one is slightly bigger at 46 square meters. The previous one we saw earlier was 36 square meters. But I don't know why, although this one is technically bigger, the living room somehow feels smaller. It's probably because how they styled it. So you can see the bedroom is right behind the living room, separated by a sliding door. The TV console is right there, so you can watch either from your sofa or even from your bed. There's a dresser and two-doors wardrobe, which gives a hotel vibe. Here's the living room again from a different angle. This is the bathroom near the main entrance. What is interesting is that this flat has a lot of handles on the wall to help the seniors navigating their flats. Inside, you can see there are a lot of handles as well. Between the bathroom and the bedroom, there is a study room. If you want to use it as a bedroom, you won't have space for a standing wardrobe, but it can be some sort of hobby flat. In this show flat, they converted into a home gym, which is interesting. And then across it, you can walk over to the kitchen with lots of storage. The washing machine is just at the corner. It looks a bit cramped though, in my opinion. If you are wondering where is the bomb shelter, it's just right there behind the wall cabinet, which looks cool. Okay, the last one is the 3-room show flat. The size is around 66 square meters. I don't know why, but this 3-room show flat is like the most bland out of them all. When you enter, it doesn't have any wow factor. Like seriously, even the 2-room flexi show flat looks better than this. There's not much design element, which I find surprising. The bomb shelter is right next to the main entrance. Well, it's standard, quite spacious for a storage room, I guess, but nothing much to talk about. Next to it, we have another open concept kitchen. Yeah, but I don't really like the bar table concept. Maybe it makes sense if it's facing the window or something, but this one is just facing the wall. The kitchen is, well, it has a lot of countertops to prepare your food, but I guess the color and design makes this show flat looks very dated and just nothing special. The vibe is so much different with the other show flats. I'm guessing each flat is done by a different ID. Okay, this is one of the bedrooms, and I'm not a fan of yellow accents. The bedroom theme seems to be cats, which I'm not sure who is the target audience for this design. Next is the common bathroom, which looks neutral and modern. Right next door is the master bedroom, which again falls flat to me. I'm guessing probably because of the lighting. They only use ceiling light, but there's no track lighting or lighting under the bed or something, so everything just falls flat. And the furniture is also the loose type, so it wasn't built-in furniture. I don't know, I'm just confused with this show flat. But what do you think? Which show flat do you like the most? Let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!